Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. This SUV's a treat for all your senses and a treat for your sense of adventure. It provides a fulfilling driving experience no matter the destination. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, power fold into floor seat, front heated bucket seats, twin turbo V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and power heated mirrors. Popular Mechanics writes, "What caught our attention is how well this big 2 tons plus SUV comports itself on all roads paved or otherwise." Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,